Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a listen and respond activity using TeacherMade. Let's go ahead and take a look at how you can do this. So I'm going to sign into my TeacherMade account and let's create a new activity. I'm creating this activity from scratch, so I'm going to use the blank option, and you can do this with either a scrolling activity template or a slide activity template. The features work the same way regardless of the layout. I'm going to create my scrolling activity, and first of all, I'm going to give it a title. Just call it Listen and Respond. And now I want to insert some text at the top of the page. So I'm going to insert some teacher text right here. And I'm going to put it right at the top of the page. And I'll use this to give my students the directions. Please listen to the recordings on this page. After listening to the recording, write a short response. And you can see here I have all my text tools that I would normally use anywhere else. I want to make this a bigger font. I can certainly just highlight it and then make it a bigger font, maybe 18-point font. I can bold it if I want to, italicize, underline, and of course I can justify it. Let's just leave it like that. Now, just a little design tip. If you want to make this box kind of stand out on the page, one of the things that you can do is insert a color block. And you can do that by just clicking on the screen or go to the insert menu and then select color block and then just drawing around your text box. And then we'll go up here and choose my color. Maybe I want to make a green around it. Now I have some green border around my text box. You don't have to do that. It's just a little design tip. Now, I want to insert my audio. So here it is. I'm going to put my audio box right below the directions. This is my first audio recording. Now I can do this many times on the page if I want to. And I can either upload a recording that I've previously made elsewhere or found elsewhere on the web, or I can record from scratch, which is what I'll do right now. Last night, the Texas Rangers won the World Series for the first time in franchise history. How do you feel about this? Do you care about baseball? Do you not care about baseball? If you do care about baseball, are you excited the Rangers won, or are you indifferent? Please write a short answer in the box below. And now I'll stop the recording. I'm going to add that to my activity. You'll see it's processing right there. And so I now have my audio in the page. And I'm now going to insert down below an open answer for my students. And I'm going to provide them with that box in which they can type their response to my audio. And again, if I want to make this stand out, I could go in and insert a color block around each one of these items. Maybe I'll insert a color block around here, and I'll make that one, let's say, kind of a bluish color. And if I want to insert another color block around the response field, maybe I'll make that one orange or red, whatever color that is. Now, if I want to preview this before giving it to my students, I can simply click on the preview button, and we will see here, there's the directions, there's the audio. Students just click on that audio button, and then to type a response, they just click on that open box, and they can write the response and say, I like baseball. However, I am indifferent about the Rangers winning because my favorite team is the Boston Red Sox, who have won the World Series more times in the 21st century than the Yankees have. And so now we'll close that, and there's my text. And that's the process for creating a listen and respond activity in TeacherMade. Now I could go in and record another audio clip and put it down below here, and then put in another text box for my students to write in, and do that process over and over again until I'm happy with the number of recordings I put on the page. This is a great activity for people who teach world languages or anyone who just wants to make sure their students are listening before responding. As always, for more things like this, including more TeacherMade tutorials, please check out my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel.